Good afternoon. I am Dr. Sandhya and I will be taking a class on Triterpenoidal saponins. After viewing this video, you will be able to perceive the difference between the three chemical classes of triterpenoids, distinguish between Brahmi and Bacopa, and relate the medicinal properties of ginseng with its phytoconstituents. So, let's go to the first topic, the chemical class of triterpenoids. We have three chemical classes, the damarines, the alpha-amyrins and the beta-amyrins. Look into the structure of this class. We have the damarines, which is the tetracyclic triterpenoids, whereas the alpha and the beta-amirin, which are the pentacyclic triterpenoids. The difference between the alpha and the beta-amirin is, in alpha-amirin, we have the methyl groups at the C19 and the C20 position, whereas in beta-amirin, both the methyl groups are in the C20 position. So, damarine is a tetracyclic, alpha and beta-amirin are the pentacyclic triterpenoids. Let's now see the drugs belonging to this class. We have the two major drugs, Bacopa and Brahmi. They are also usually substituted or interchanged. Let's see why. Bacopa are the leaves and stems of Bacopa monnieri family Scrophulariaceae, whereas Brahmi belongs to the leaves and stems of Centella asiatica family Apiaceae. The chemical class to which Bacopa belongs to is the damarine type of triterpenoids. You can see here the tetracyclic ring, the main ones being bacosides and Bacopa saponins. Brahmi belongs to the alpha-amyrin class, that is the pentacyclic saponins with the methyl group at the 19th and the 20th position. The main ones being asiaticoside and medicasoside. These being glycosides, they are dissociated into erglycone and sugar. Bacopa has the erglycone, jujubogenin and pseudojujubogenin, whereas Brahmi has the erglycone, asiatic acid and medicassic acid. Now, students, pause your video and reflect on this. Why do you think Brahmi and Bacopa are substituted in spite of having differences in their source and phytoconstituents? Pause and write the answer for this before we go ahead. Let me now tell you the answer for this. This is because both Bacopa and Brahmi are called as Brahmi. The synonym for Bacopa is gel Brahmi, whereas Brahmi is called simply Brahmi or go-to cola. Another reason is they both have the memory enhancing property. Bacopa being a memory enhancer and antioxidant, and Brahmi is a brain tonic and it aids intelligence. Bacopa is a nootropic agent enhancing cognitive functions, whereas Brahmi combats stress and depression and helps in treating nervous disorders. Look into the marketed preparation of these drugs. We have Brahmi powder, Bacopa monnieri, manufactured by Herbal Hills, whereas Brahmi powder or go-to cola, manufactured by Banyan, which is your Centella asiatica. So both these drugs have the same marketed name, which is Brahmi, which leads to this confusion and substitution. Now let's move ahead with the third part of our lecture, which is the pharmacognosy of ginseng. Ginseng is also called as panacea or all healing or wonder of the world drug because it is really an all healing drug, and we will see why. These belong to the roots of Panax ginseng family Araliaceae, and the most important constituent is the ginsenosides, which belongs to the saponin class or precisely the damarine type of triterpenoidal saponins. We have the ginsenoside RB1 and ginsenoside RG1, the erglycone being protopanaxadiol and protopanaxatriol depending upon the number of OH groups and the addition of sugar molecules. Now, why is it called as an all healing drug? Because of its various constituents. Observe here that ginseng, which has the ginsenosides, is a powerful adaptogen regulating the CNS activity and inhibiting fatigue. Panaquilon mildly increases endocrine activity. Panaxopogenol increases metabolic activity. Panaxin stimulates the circulation. Panacin stimulates digestive process. Ginsenine regulates the blood sugar levels, and germanium releases oxygen in the blood, thus purifying it. So, here ginseng has a plethora of constituents leading to various pharmacological uses, be it CNS, endocrine, metabolic, circulation, digestive, or releasing oxygen in the blood to purify it. Thus, it is a all-healing drug. One of the most important marketed preparation of ginseng is Revital. Here we conclude this lecture. In summary, what you would have learnt in this lecture is understood the class of triterpenoids and second, gain knowledge on the crude drugs of Bacopa, Brahmi and Ginseng. Thank you.